area of a sector. We did a little bit of this earlier in the book, and this is a review for us. Remember, the idea is that we're just taking a fraction of the circle. This sector here is a fraction of the circle. In fact, the fraction is 60/360ths. 60 over 360 reduces to 1/6. So we're talking about 1/6 the area of the circle. So what we're going to do to find the area of that sector is take 1/6 of pi times the radius squared. That would be 1/6 pi times 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 1 is 9. So this is 9 over 6 pi. 9 over 6 can be reduced. They're both divisible by 3. So we'll divide them both by 3. 9 becomes 3. 6 becomes 2. So our final answer is 3/2 pi. This is area, and we label that in units squared, but we don't have a unit in this case. So punch this in the box, and you've got it. Remember, use pi for pi. In this question, we are going to find the length of the arc. So how far is it from here to here? Just like with area, this is a fraction of the circle, or a fraction of the circumference. And our fraction here is 160 degrees out of 360 degrees. So we'll reduce that. We can divide by 10 and get 16 over 36. Both of those are divisible by 4, and we'll get 4 over 9. So that is 4/9 of the circle. 4/9 of the circumference. So our length, our arc length, will be it will be 4/9 of the circumference, which we know as 2 pi times the radius, and the radius is 20. So we'll take 2 times 20 times 4, and no particular order. That is 160 over 9 pi. And we try to reduce that if we could. But 160 over 9 does not reduce. And if there was a label here, we'd label it inches, feet, or miles. And commonly, if there's no label, they say units. But you don't have to worry about that. You're just going to plug that in the box. Remember to use pi for pi. And you're done.